broccoli, pechay, and green spinach. And these are Chinese cabbages, magic flower, and ampalaya, wild ampalaya, gagmay. These are my onions, no? Onion, red onions, may pa basil, may radishes, bunching onions, may pa cucumber, and string beans. This is my zucchini, large na siya na almost 3 nakadangaw. These are all my garlic. So beside the garlic na at tomato, and beside tomato nagtanong ko marigold, cut mint, and carrots. See carrots, no? May dragon fruit beside the zucchini, at sweet potato and sigarilyas, naapod tay turmeric and ginger. Ready ay na tay sunflower food, this one. So that's it, and see ya.